My name is Taylor DeVilbus. I'm a student advocate with Fremont High School. Today I'm going to show you how to enroll in the Smith's Community Rewards program to help support Fremont High School. So the first step will be to go to smithsfoodanddrug.com, and then in the top right corner you'll see a sign in link. Click on that and sign in. This is also a good time to register if you haven't already registered. So the next step will be to go back up to that top right corner and click on where it says your name. Next, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Community Rewards. There will be an Enroll button, and you'll want to enroll in the Smith's Community Rewards under Fremont High School or organization number 98380. Now, whenever you shop at Smith's, they will donate a portion of what you spend to the school. Thanks. Bye.